Because the facts in support of Dad's motion won't fit on the request for order, we use this declaration, which is also judicial counsel form. We wrote attachment 10 and we explain the facts on this page, and then we give the law. And that is the case of Jackson v. Jackson, 1975, 51 Cal Lap 3rd, 363. And basically, this means that the court has the discretion to grant father equitable credit, aka Jackson credit, for the period of time the children started living with father until the effective date of the new child support order. So that's what we want the court and mom to get out of that piece of case law that we cited there. And the reason why this is important is because the court can't make child support, they can't modify child support retroactive or before the date that the motion was filed. So the kids went to live with Dad on March 5th of 2021, but Dad didn't file this motion until September 9th of 2021. And Dad stopped paying Mom that $300 a month child support when the kids went to live with him. And so now what Dad's trying to do is get the court to acknowledge that he discharged his duty to pay child support by having the children live in his house starting March 5th, 2021. The sample language that is used here will be in the write-up for this series of videos. A link to that write-up will be in the description. As always, thank you for tuning in.